I want to show you what I just got out of Amazon. So let me unbox it here for you. So what this is it's a motion detector light, and it detects motion, but it also is a camera. So you do have to plug it in, you do have to wire it so that you don't have to worry about if it has any sun, especially at nighttime. It's going to work all the time. Inside of here is your SD slot, so you're going to record there. It hooks up to Wi-Fi, so if a light kicks on or whatever, it's going to immediately notify you of those events, and it'll continue to record. No subscription necessary, which is really why I got it. I love no subscriptions. I'm going to be hooking it up to right over here. You see that pole right there, and we're just going to make sure that all of our area is tight and secure. Plus, my wife doesn't like bears, so make sure that the light will scare the bears away, all that fun stuff. So just better be safe than sorry. Just keeping the honest people honest and the dangerous wildlife out of the area. So it does have HD recording. It comes with a gasket, and it also comes with like a ceiling mount if you're going to mount it like to a ceiling bracket somewhere in there if you're going to mount it. Comes with a couple wire nuts, comes with some screws, and then a instruction manual, and you're going to have to download the app to get it to work, but it's super intuitive. The app is simple. You just scan this QR code right here, and that takes you to downloading the app. So the other thing that I'll probably say is that there is a reset button on here. So if you need to reset it, or for whatever reason, there's a reset button, and that'll sync your app up to the camera, right? You know, it's not going to come in the high quality stuff. It's not going to be super pricey either to get high quality. I mean, you're not making a movie, you're just making sure that the lights kick on and it deters anybody that is away. So when my wife and I are away from our rig, we have it in storage. We've actually had our trailer broken into before, and so we're like, hey, when we're putting it in storage, we want to make sure that it's secure and the lights are going to kick on, and maybe, hopefully, just maybe deter anybody from doing any bad things before the bad things happen. I'd really rather deter it than catch them, if you know what I mean. So if you're in the market for just a simple stationary, it's not going to move around, stationary place where you got to plug it in, wire it in, but it's always on. You never have to worry about if the sun is not charging it or anything like that. It's always on, and so that gives you the peace of mind. So again, we're going to be running that, installing that, but wanted to show you right out of the gate what you get in the box when you do purchase it. So hopefully that helps you guys make an informed buying decision.